Morning students. Today also we are going to see the same lesson 1. Next concept is consistency of system of linear equations by rank method. In order to find consistency, in last topic we have studied Gaussian elimination method. That method we are going to use here, rank method. So rank method is the rank method, Gaussian elimination method. Okay, row reduction we have to use. So here first we are going to see the condition for non-homogeneous linear equation. So non-homogeneous linear equation means if the constant terms are not equal to 0 means that is non-homogeneous equation. For example, okay, so this is non-homogeneous because the terms are not equal to 0. If the constant terms are instead of this 0 is there means that is homogeneous equation. So all the constant terms are 0 means that is homogeneous equation. Okay. So that's the difference between homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation. Okay. Next is before going to the concept, we want to know some important points about consistency. Okay. So first we can see first points. If a rank of A equal to a rank of AB, so rank of A not equal to rank of AB, then the system is inconsistent. Okay, inconsistent. Actually, we are going to check the consistency. Okay, inconsistent and has no solution. For this type, we won't get solution. Okay, has no solution. Are you clear? So first point. So if rank of A not equal to rank of AB, then the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Next one is if rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknown. Number of unknown means that is x by z. Okay. So rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to n means then the system is consistent. Okay, system is consistent and has a unique solution. Okay, so this is the second point. So, okay, next third one is if rank of A equal to rank of AB, but it is less than number of unknown means then the system is consistent. Here also system is consistent, then the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solution So once again, if rank of A not equal to rank of AB means the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay. Then second one is if rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknown, then the system is consistent and has a unique solution. Okay. Then third one is rank of A equal to rank of AB less than n, then the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. Here less than n means, so suppose n is 3, rank of A and rank of AB may be 2 or 1. Okay, less than 3. So rank of A into rank of AB into 2, now we can say that is equal but less than 3. So instead of 2, 1 is there means okay, you can't say that also So this is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. If you know this three condition means it for you easy. Okay. Okay, next problem we can see. So first problem, example 1.29. Example 1.29. Test for consistency. Test for consistency of the following system. Following system of linear equations. System of linear equations. And if possible solve. And if possible solve. So question is x plus 2y minus z equal to 3, comma 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 1, comma x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 3, comma x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now see the question. Test for consistency. We want to check the consistency of the given equations. If it is consistent, we want to solve that. So if possible, we have to solve. Okay. If it is inconsistent, we cannot solve because it has no solution. Okay. First, you have to write the given equation. If the constant term is in left hand side, means you have to take it right hand side. So x plus 2y minus z equal to 3. Next one is 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 1. X minus 2y plus 3z equal to 3. Another one is x minus y plus z equal to, here only the constant term is in left hand side, you take it in right hand side, it will become negative. Okay, so minus 1. Now first you have to write the given equation in the form of ax equal to b. Okay, otherwise you can write a equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, then 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 1. Okay, we can write ax equal to b form. So 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. Another one is 1 minus 1, 1. Okay, this is a, isn't it? Next, x means unknowns. Here unknowns are x, y and z. Okay, x, y, z equal to constant. Constant is 3, 1, 3 minus 1. This is the constant. So b. Okay, a, x equal to b. So if you are not writing like this, you can write a equal to first matrix, x equal to x, y, z. Separately also you can write b equal to 3, 1, 3 minus 1. I have written within one line. Okay. So if you want to write separately means you write a equal to, comma x equal to, comma b equal to. Okay. So now we can start. So after writing this, you want to use the Gaussian elimination method. Okay here. So you have to convert into first you form augmented matrix A bar B. So A bar B equal to, what is here? A is 1, 2 minus 1, B is 3. Okay, then 3 minus 1, 2, 1. Next one is 1 minus 2, 3, 3. Okay, last line is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. This is A bar B. So first 3 column denote A, last column denote B. Okay. So next what you want to do? We have to convert into row Euclidean form. Row Euclidean form means first place we need one non-zero element. Okay, non-zero element is there. So first row no change. Okay. So 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Okay. Next what do you need? Instead of 3, we need 0, isn't it? So use the first one to eliminate 3. 1. This is R2. Then R1 we are multiplying by 3. Multiply 1 into 3 is 3. Let's say 3 2s are 6. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now you want to subtract. Minus plus minus. Okay. 3 minus 3 0. Okay, next minus 1 minus 6. Both are minus. So minus 6 plus 1 is 7. Next one you see 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Last one 1 minus 9. You see the greater is negative. So first you have to put minus. Now you subtract 9 minus 1. 8. Okay, second row completed. Okay. So 0 minus 7 5 minus 8. This is R2. Okay, then we have to convert R3. So instead of 1 we need 0. So you eliminate. Okay. So R3 gives directly you can subtract 1 minus 1 is 0. So R3 minus R1. Okay, R3 gives R3 minus R1. Okay. Subtract and say 1 minus 1. The directly I am subtracting. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Next 3. Here minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Next 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, second row completed. Okay. So next one, fourth row. Fourth row also first element is 1. So you subtract. R4 gives R4 minus R1. So R4 gives R4 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next minus 1 minus 2. Okay, there are minus only are there. Okay, because subtracting. Minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. Okay, next 1 minus 2 minus plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Next one minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4. Okay. Okay, first step we are completed. So we got 3 zeros here. Next what do you need? Actually here 4 rows are. So first non-0, 1 0 is there. Next we need this row 2 0. So instead of minus 4 we need 0. Instead of minus 3 also we need 0. So we have to eliminate minus 4 and minus 3. So what you can do? You can use the second row. Okay. In second row the element is 7. Isn't it? So 7 is not divisible by 4. Same as 7 is not divisible by 3. So different both are. So you can do multiply R2 by 4 and R3 by 7. Before that you can eliminate this 4 and minus 4 and 4 also. So because both are multiple of 4. If you need means you can use. Without that I am going to do. Okay. So R3 gives 1 2 minus 1 3 0 minus 7 5 minus 8. Next one. So R3 you can give. R3 gives 7 into R3 minus 4 into R2. Otherwise before that you can multiply here. R3 gives R3 into, so 1 by 4 into R3. Okay. One more step you will get, no problem. 0 minus 1 1 0. See 4 divided by 4 means 1. Again 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay. So next row 0 minus 3 2 minus 4. Okay. Then next one. So next we are going to convert this 2 places 0. So that's why I am using second row. Okay. 1 2 minus 1 3. Next row 0 minus 7 5 minus 8. Okay, R2 gives, you can say R2 gives, so 7 R3 gives 7 R3 minus R2. You see, so 7 here multiply means minus 1 into 7 7. So minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So you can give, see, so 0 minus 7 7 0. This second row if you are multiplying by, so no need to multiply in second row. 0 minus 7 5 minus 8. So directly subtract minus plus minus plus. Okay, minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So 0 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. So here 8. 0 0 2 8. Okay, next third row. So instead of minus 3 we need 0. Same second row only we are going to use. So R4 gives 7 R4 we will get the same element. Okay, so R4 I am multiplying 0, 7 3s are 21, so minus 21, 7 2s are 14, again 7 4s are 28, minus 28. Okay, next here. So what do you want to do? Second row, how to multiply by 3, isn't it? You multiply 3 into 0, 0, minus 7 into 3, minus 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, so minus 24. Here also subtraction, so minus plus minus plus. Okay, so minus 21 plus 21 is 0. Okay, then 14 minus 15, 15 is negative, so minus 15 minus 14 is 1. Then here minus 28 plus 24, what do you get? Minus 4. Okay, so 0, 0, minus 1, minus 4. Okay, one more step you have to do. Next step, we need instead of minus 1, 0, isn't it? So we can do. So first 3 rows, no change. So 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, minus 7, 5, minus 8, 0, 0, 2, 8. Okay. Then instead of minus 1, we need 1, 2. Isn't it? So R4 gives 2 R4. Simple difference, so we can add plus R3. Okay, R3 only have to use. So 2 R4 means we multiply 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, the next 2 4s are 8. So minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Okay. So we got the equivalent form, isn't it? So this is the equivalent form. 1 0, 2 0, next is 3 0. Okay, this is equivalent form. So after converting into equivalent form, how to write the rank? Okay, then only we can find the consistency of the given system. So we can see it's a rank of A. So rank of A means at the beginning itself we told first 3 columns denote A. So 4 columns together, that is AB, isn't it? So rank of A means first you have to see the first 3 columns. Their number of non-zero rows. How many rows are non-zero? So first row, second row, and third row. In last row, so all the elements are 0. That is 0 row, isn't it? So number of non-zero row means that is 3. So rank of A equal to 3. Okay, next rank of AB. In rank of AB also, last row fully 0. Then 1, 2, 3. So rank of AB also 3. A bar B. Okay, then equal to 3. Then we can write. Therefore, rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 3 equal to number of unknowns. The number of unknown is X, Y and Z. So that is 3 only. So equal to number of unknowns. Therefore, the system is consistent. Okay, important, because your question is test to be consistent. So therefore the system is consistent and has a unique solution Okay, next. So we have mentioned it is consistent. So actually in the question they ask, if possible, how to solve. So if it is consistent, we have to find the solution also. So it is constant, so we are going to find the solution. So how you will find the solution? You see, first you see the equivalent from last matrix. So 1 means 1 into X, 2 means 2 into Y, this is Z star, this is constant. Okay, so 1 into X is X plus 2 into Y is 2Y, so minus is there, so minus 1 into Z is minus Z equal to 3. This is equation 1. Then you move the second equation. So y term is minus 7, so minus 7y. Then Z term is 5, so plus 5z equal to minus 8. This is equation 2. Next you see the third row. In third row x and y 0, then Z is there, so 2z equal to 8. This is equation 3. So already you have studied in Gaussian elimination method. After getting this 3 equation, what you have to do? You have to use the back substitution method, isn't it? So back substitution means you use the third equation first. So 3 implies. So 2 is equal to 8, then is it equal to 8? 2 you take right hand side, will come in denominator. So by 2. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. So is it equal to 4? So we got one value, 2 more value you want to find. So you substitute z value in equation 2. So 2 implies minus 7y plus 5 into 2. Sorry, 5 into z value is 4. So equal to minus 8. So minus 7y plus 5 4s are 20. Okay, so 20 equal to minus 8. So minus 7y equal to minus 8. So plus 20 you take right hand side, it become negative. So minus 20. So minus 7y equal to minus 28. So minus minus cancel. Okay, remaining. So y equal to 28 by 7. Okay, simplify. 1 7 is 7. 4 7s are 28. So y also 4. Okay, y equal to 4. So again you have to substitute z and y in equation 1. So 1 implies x plus x unknown plus 2 into y. Y value is 4 minus z value is 4 equal to 3. Okay, then x plus 2 4s are 8 minus 4 equal to 3. Now x 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, equal to 3. Next x equal to 3. 4 you take right hand side, minus 4. So x equal to, so greater is negative, so minus 4 minus 3 is 1. So x are, therefore solution is x equal to minus 1, y equal to 4, z equal to 4. Okay, this is the answer. So this is the first type. Okay, rank of A, rank of AB equal to number of unknowns. We got unique solution. This is a unique solution. X separate value, y separate value. This is unique solution. Okay. The next one we can see next method. Example 1.30. Test for consistency. Of the following system of linear equations and if possible solve 4x minus 2y plus 6z equal to 8, comma x plus y minus 3z equal to minus 1, comma 15x minus 3y plus 9z equal to 21. Okay, listen. So here also test the consistency. Okay, so test for consistency of the system of linear equations. If possible, solve. So here also if it is consistent, you want to solve. If it is not consistent, you can write it as no solution. Okay, shall we see? So first, like last, so you see the constant term. If it is in right hand side means no adjustment. Okay, so we can write directly. So 4. Okay, 4x. Okay, 4 minus 2, 6. Next one, 1 minus 3. Last one, 15 minus 3, 9. Constant term also is 8 minus 1, 21. Okay. X, A, this A, next X. X is this A, next X, X. Y is Z equal to B. B is 8 minus 1, 21. This is Ax equal to B. Okay, Ax equal to B. So this is A, second one denote B, sorry X, third one is B. Okay. Next, you have to form the augmented matrix A bar B. So A bar B equal to, first A is 4 minus 2 6 1 1 minus 3 50 minus 3 9. Okay, then B is 8 minus 1 21. Okay, A bar B. Next, you have to convert the equation into row Euclidean form. You have to convert. So that's why you need to first place one non-zero element. Actually, the non-zero element is there. For our convenience, instead of 4, if 1 is there means we can solve the next steps easily. So that's why. So I am going to convert R2 to R1, R1 to R2. So if 1 is here means, so next step for us useful. Okay, that's why. So R1 gives R2, R2 gives R1. So you see here 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1. Second row is 4 minus 2, 6, 8. Then third row is 50 minus 3, 9, 2. Okay. Next step. See the next step. Okay, first one is non-zero. Next row, first element we need 0. Then third row also first element we need 0. So you have to eliminate 4 and 15 using the first row. So now it's simple because 1 is there, no? So for multiplication it is easy. So R2 gives R2 minus 4 R1. Okay. So R2 R1 no change. 1 minus 3 minus 1. Next R2 is, so I have written the condition here. R2 gives R2 minus 4 R1. So actually R2 is here 4 minus 2 6 8. So you multiply R1 by 4. So R1 is, but 1 into 4 is 4. Again 1 into 4 is 4. Next 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Next 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Okay. Now you have additional subtraction. So 4 both are same symbol. So how to subtract? Minus plus plus. Okay. 4 minus 4 is 0. Minus 2 minus both are minus. So minus 6. Next here 12 plus 6 is 18. Next 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. Minus 0 minus 6 18 12. Okay. Next R3 gives, instead of 15 we need 0, so you only eliminate 15 using first row. So same condition, R3 gives R3 minus 15 R1. Very simple because 1 is there, no? So if you are multiplying 1 by 15, you will get 1 over 15. So you multiply and subtract 15 minus 3 9 2. Okay, next R3 how to multiply, R1 how to multiply by 15. 1 into 15 is 15. Again 1 into 15 is 15. So 15 next 3 into 15 is 45. So 1 minus is there. So minus 45. Next one 15 into minus 1 is minus 15. Okay. Now we change the symbol. Minus plus plus. Okay. So 15 minus 15 is 0. Then minus 3 minus 50. Both are minus. So minus 15 plus 3 is 18. Next 45 plus 9. 45 plus 9 is 54. Next 2 plus 15 is 17. So last one is 0 minus 18 54 17. Okay. Okay, listen. First row, now we are convert non-zero is there. Next row 0. Next row also 0. Now what do you need? Instead of minus 18, we need but 0. So we have to eliminate minus 18 using second row. You only use the second row. Before multiplying, you can divide also. Here instead of minus 6, 18, 12, 3 numbers are multiple of 6. So you can do multiply by 1 by 6. In last row also, all the elements Next, last we can do. So R3 gives R3 minus. Actually, a 6 is there. If you are multiplying by 3, you will get one more 18, doesn't it? So 18 minus 18, we can simplify. 1 minus 3 minus 1. Then 0 minus 6, 18, 12. Then next R3 gives R3 minus 3 R2, isn't it? Sorry, this is 21, okay? Not 2, 21. So 21, 21, okay? So 21 plus 15 is 26. Okay, now okay. Now 0, you multiply 6 3s are 18, okay? So 18 minus 18 is 0. Next 18 into 3, you get 54. You see, 3 is 24, remaining 2 and 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, so 54. So 54 minus 54 is 0. Next time, 3 12s are 36. So 36 minus 36 is 0. Okay. So last row fully 0. Okay. Now you see the rank. So actually this is Euclidean form. We have converted into Euclidean form, isn't it? So after changing into Euclidean form, you want to find a rank. So rank of A. Here rank of A is. You see the rank of A. So first 3 column 1, 2, 3. Here number of non-zero row 1, 2. This row fully 0. So rank of A is 2. Then rank of AB. So rank of AB equal to. So here also 2 only, isn't it? So 2. So which implies rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 2. Which is less than number of unknown, because number of unknown is 3, isn't it? X, Y, Z, so which is less than 3. So rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 2, less than number of unknown means we can't say the system is consistent, okay? So system is consistent. System is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. This is second type, okay? And has an infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. So more than one solution you get, okay? So now, so after writing this, already in your question they ask possible you have to solve. If it is consistent, you want to solve, okay? Now write the equation. X plus Y minus 3z equal to minus 1. This is equation 1. Then second one, 0. 0 means x, isn't it? You leave that. Next y term is 6. So 6y plus 18z equal to 12. Here I am going to divide. Okay, there I did not the divide. So that's why divided by 6. All the terms are multiple of 6. So I am giving divided by 6. Then what you get? Minus y plus 3z equal to 2. This is equation 2. Okay. So now you see last term fully 0, last row fully. So actually in our question 3 unknowns, but you will have 2 equations. If you have 3 unknown means we need 3 equations. Then only we can solve the equation. Here only 2 equations are here, but 3 unknowns. So you have to assume the one value. Okay. So let z equal. We are going to assume the value. So that is unknown. So let z equal to k. K or t, anyone you can take. Okay. Let z equal to k. Comma k belongs to real number. K is a real. Okay. Then now you substitute the k z value in equation 2. So 2 implies minus y plus 3z. Instead of z you have to say k equal to 2. Okay. Then minus y equal to 2. 3k you take right hand side. Minus 3k. Actually we need y. Here one minus is there. So you multiply by minus. Then what you get? Y equal to. Here minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. So 3k. 2 becomes negative. Minus 2. This is the value of y. Okay. Z is here. Z is k. Okay. Then we need one more value x. We substitute z and y in equation 1. So 1 implies x plus 3k minus 2. This is the value of y minus 3 z. Z value is k. So 3k equal to minus 1 plus 3k cancel. Next, x minus 2 equal to minus 1. Then x equal to minus 1. Minus 2 you take right hand side. Minus 2 if you are taking right hand side means plus 2. So plus 2. Okay, next x equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, then next. Therefore, solution is okay, first value is x equal to 1, comma y equal to 3k minus 2, then z equal to k. Okay, z equal to k, comma k belongs to r. K is a real number. So I can say instead of k, you can take t, r, s, any one value. Okay, because that is unknown. So we have taken that constant. Okay, second type over. In second type we had rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 2 less than number of unknowns. Therefore the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. Okay, then we can see the third type. So third type is example 1.31. Test for consistency of the following system. Following system of linear equations and if possible solve, and if possible solve. Okay. The equation is x minus y plus z equal to minus 9, 2x minus 2y plus 2z equal to minus 18. The next one is 3x minus 3y plus 3z plus 27 equal to 0. Okay, these are three equations. So you have to solve. Okay, here are the first you see the equation. If the constant angle is left hand side means you have to take right hand side. Otherwise, taking time, so instead of plus you have to take minus. So I am writing that 1 minus 1 1 next 2 minus 2 2 then 3 minus 3 3. This is a next unknown x y z. This is y, isn't it? Sorry, x a s equal to b. B value is minus 9 minus 18. You see there constant is left hand side. Change the symbol and say. If it is plus you have to say minus. So minus 27. Okay. So a x equal to b. Okay, a x equal to b. Okay, next. Augmented matrix a bar b. A bar b equal to this a 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 2 3 minus 3 3 bar. Next b. B is here minus 9 minus 18 minus 27. Okay, so here also same method how to convert into row Euclidean form. Okay, Euclidean form. So how will you do? See, first one is non-zero. Instead of 2 3 we need 0. How to eliminate 2 and 3 using first row. Okay, shall we do? Okay. So R2 gives R2 minus 2 is there. So R2 minus 2R1. Then R3 gives same R3 minus 1 3 is there. So we need 1 3. So 3R1. Okay, shall we do? So first row 1 minus 1 1 minus 9. Okay, then second row only we are going to change. So R2 gives R2 what is here 2 minus 2 2 minus 18. So I am going to multiply R1 by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Then 1 into minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Again 1 into minus 27 plus 27 is 0. So all the elements we got 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So we got the Euclidean form. Okay. So equal means you can leave it. Now not 0. Missed number of zeros. Okay. This is Euclidean form. Okay. Missed. So after converting into Euclidean form, what do you want to write? You want to write the equation. Rank. Same. So rank of A and rank of AB you have to write. So rank of A equal to. So actually in first A only one non-zero row. So rank of A is 1. Then rank of AB totally if you are checking also only 1. So rank of A bar B is also 1. Okay, the next place rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 1, which is less than number of unknown, isn't it? Actually number of unknown is x, y, z, the 3. Okay, 1 is less than 3. Therefore, the system is consistent. Okay, therefore the system is consistent because both are equal. No? So, system is consistent. System is consistent and has an infinite number of solution. Okay, less than means infinite number. Okay, infinite number of solution. Okay, now you see the matrix. You have to form into equation. So 1 into x is yes minus y plus z equal to minus 9. This is equation 1. The remaining rows are 0. Now you have to see carefully. Actually 3 unknowns are here, x, y and z. Only one equation is there. In last problem 3 unknowns but 2 equations. That's why we have assumed one value. But here only one equation is here. We need 2 more equations. So that's why we are going to assume 2 values. Let y equal to k1, z equal to k2 or st. Anyone you can take. Okay, k2, comma k1, comma k2 belongs to R. Okay, both are real numbers. Okay, so k1, comma k2 belongs to R. Okay, now what implies? You substitute that instead of x, you have to say so x only because that is unknown. So minus y. Y value is k1 plus z value is k2 equal to minus 9. Okay, then x equal to minus 9 is there. Minus k1 you take right hand side. What do you get? Plus k1, isn't it? So plus k1 plus k2 if you are taking right hand side means minus k2. So this is the value of x. Already we know the value of y and z. We have assumed the value. So therefore solution is x equal to minus 9 plus k1 minus k2 comma y is k1. So y equal to k1 comma z equal to k2, z equal to k2 comma k1 comma k2 belongs to R. Okay, k1 comma k2 belongs to R. Okay, are you clear? 3 types we have seen. First type is rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 3, that is equal to number of unknowns. Therefore the system is consistent and has a unique solution. Second type is rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 2, but it is less than number of unknowns. So therefore the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solution. And third type is rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 1, but it is less than number of unknowns. So the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solution. Okay, next last fourth type we are going to see. Example 1.32. Test the consistency of the solutions. X minus y plus z equal to minus 9, comma 2x minus y plus z equal to 4, comma 3x minus y plus z equal to 6, comma 4x minus y plus 2z equal to 7. Okay. So here also test the consistency. Okay. Consistency means you have to use the rank method. Okay. So it comes first ax equal to b form. So ax equal to here a is 1 minus 1 1 is 2 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 1 4 minus 1 2. A x is an unknowns x y z equal to constant term is minus 9 4 6 7. Okay. This is the form of ax equal to b. Okay. Next, augmented matrix a bar b. So a bar b equal to, here a is 1 minus 1 1. Okay, can write 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 1 4 minus 1 2. Okay. Bar b is minus 9 4 6 7. Okay, this is a bar b, isn't it? Next we need first element non-zero. Okay, it is non-zero. Next we have to eliminate 2 3 and 4. Okay, using first row. So R2 gives, what we can do? R2 minus 2R1. Okay, then R3 means R3 gives R3 minus 3R1. R4 gives R4 minus 4R1. So R2 minus 2R1. Next R3 gives R3 minus 3R1. Next R4 gives R4 minus 4R1. Okay, because that we have to eliminate 2 3 4. That's okay. Then we write first row. Okay, no change. 1 minus 1 1 minus 9. In second row, so 2 minus 1 1 4. These are the elements in second row. So multiply r1 by 2 and 2, right? 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So again 1 into 2 is 2. So next minus 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. So minus 18. Okay, now subtract minus plus minus plus. Okay. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 1 plus 2. Greater is positive. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 4 plus 18. That is 22. So 1 is 0. 1 minus 1. 22. Okay. Next, R3 gives, we are given R3 minus 3. Same R2. So not R2. R3. 3 minus 1 1 6. Same R1 we are taking and multiplying with 3. So 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Again 3 into 1 is 3. 3 nines are 27. So minus 27. Okay. Minus plus minus plus. Okay. 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 1 plus 3. Greater is plus. 3 minus 1 is 2. This 1 minus 3. Greater is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is 6 plus 27. So that is 33. Okay. 6 plus 27 is 33. So 0 2 minus 2 33. Okay. Next third. R4 gives R4 minus 4R1. So actually R4 is 4 minus 1 2 7. We multiply R1 by 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Next again 1 into 4 is 4. So 4 nines are 36. So minus 36. Okay, subtract minus plus minus plus. Okay, 4 minus 4 is 0. Minus 1 plus 4. Greater is positive. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 4. So greater is minus. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7 is 48. 43. Okay. So 0, 3 minus 2, 43. Okay. Okay. Next row, what do you need? Second row. Okay, 0 and 0 is there. Third row we need 0. Fourth row also this place we need 0. Use the second row and you eliminate 2 and 3. So R2 gives in R2 place. So the same place 1 is there. So R3 gives R3 minus 2R1. Then only we can eliminate 2. Same as R4 gives R4 minus 3R2. Not R1, R2. Okay, R2. Okay. So now first two row now change. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 9, 0, 1 minus 1, 22. Okay. Now you multiply R2 by 2 and try to subtract. So we can check. First, in R2 what are the elements? R3 0, 2 minus 2, 33. R2 you multiply by 2. 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into minus 1 is minus 2. Then 2 into 22 is 44. Okay. Then subtract minus, minus, plus, minus. Okay, 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 33 minus 44, that is 11. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 11. Okay, next R4. Okay, R4 gives 0, 3 minus 2, 43. Okay, now you subtract. Sorry, multiply and subtract. So R2 have to multiply by 3. So what do you get? 0, 3 minus 3, 66. Okay. Then subtract. Minus, minus, plus, minus. 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next. Minus 2 plus 3, that means 1. Then 66 greater, isn't it? So 66 minus 43, that is 323. Okay. So minus 23. So 0, 0, 1 minus 23. Okay. So next you see, in first row we have 0, second row 1, 0, third row we need 2 zeros, right? But 3 zeros are there. In fourth row 2 zeros. So next step, no need calculation. It can interchange these two rows. Okay, then it will become Euclidean form. So R4 gives R3, R3 gives R4. Okay. So R3 gives R4, R4 gives R3. Then we will get the Euclidean form. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 9, 0, 1 minus 1, 22. So this one you take here 0, 0, 1 minus 23. Next 0, 0, 0, 11. Okay, now you see this is Euclidean form. Okay, so we have converted. Now you check the rank. So rank of A equal to, you see the rank of A 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So rank of A equal to 3. Next rank of AB, you check the rank of AB. So rank of AB equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now check both are not equal, isn't it? So which implies rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Therefore, the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Therefore, the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay. This is the fourth type. We have seen 4 types. First type, rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 3 equal to number of unknown. Therefore, the system is consistent. Others say unique solution. In second type, we have seen rank of A, rank of AB equal but less than number of unknown. That means rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 2. Therefore, the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. Then third type is that type also rank of A, rank of AB equal but number of unknown is less than n. Therefore, the system is consistent and has an infinite number of solutions. Last type is rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Therefore, the system is inconsistent. It has no solution. Okay. Then homework, you know the homework exercise 1.6. Question number 1. 4 subdivisions are there. So actually these are test the consistency. Okay. In last concept in exercise 1 point also ignorant do I think the first problem. So that also is there. Okay, I forget to give Gaussian elimination. Okay, so I think you understood about this consistency. Okay, next day you can see the continuance of this concept. Okay, thank you.